Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, Cami is going to be giving you a tour of all of her Christmas decorations. We hope that this gives you guys some inspiration for when you're decorating your home or just puts you in a festive mood. So let's go ahead and get into the video. You guys, I'm going to do a full porch tour, but let's go ahead and head on in. Here is the entryway, and as you walk forward in this little corner, I just have a snowman that I got from like a local craft shop in my town. And then as you head over this way, I kind of kept it pretty simple with the bench on the bottom there. I just have like a little snowman, and I actually got him from a thrift store quite a few years ago. And then right there, I have a sign that says, Jesus is the reason for this season. And then as you move up, I have the two little pillows there, and I am not sure where I got either of those. Actually, the Be Merry is from Tractor Supply store. My husband always goes in there, and I saw it and I was like, oh, perfect. So I didn't know they had those there. And as you move up, I kept that same wreath that I use pretty much all year round. I just add some little picks to it. So I just added these red little berries, and then these kind of greens with snowflakes on, and those are with snow on them. Those are from Walmart. And as you come up, this sign here is from Walmart as well, and it was under $20, and it's actually a really great size. Now here is the overview of the living room when you walk through the front entryway. And we'll start with the end table here. I kind of kept like a little gold theme on this table. So I just did like a really tall tree and this sparkle and shine quote. And then this is just like a little glittery snowflake. And if you guys have questions about anything, you can ask down below. A lot of the stuff I've had for years, so I'm not exactly sure where I got everything from, but you can definitely ask. And then on the couch here, I kept the same pillows that I got from Kirkland's for fall time, but I like that they were still kind of go with the theme of the room, and they're just kind of like a dark and light gray color. And then this We Wish You a Merry Christmas pillow is from Hobby Lobby. And over on this little corner here, every year I always put up this Santa Claus picture. I actually got it quite a few years ago from Walmart, and my sisters always make fun of me, but I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks so realistic, and it's just one of those pieces that is so cute to have. And on this shelf, which is from Walmart, I kind of kept it pretty simple as well. I just kept this green plant that I keep year round. And then on this middle shelf here, I just have some like glittery pine cones and a Santa Claus. And then I have this sign that says Warm Winter Wishes. And then that birdhouse there is from Hobby Lobby, I think last year or the year before. And then just some cottons that are from Hobby Lobby too. And then to decorate this little area, I just have like this light up letter R, which I don't remember where that one is from. And then as you come up here, I have a Season's Greeting sign and some greens, and both those are actually from the dollar store. And now coming over on the side here, kind of on my TV stand, I don't love my decor on here, but I didn't want to go out and buy any more pieces. I feel like I have enough stuff. And so for this year, this is kind of what I'm going to be doing. I want to find, at the end of the Christmas season, to find a new nativity scene where I can put it, you know, like kind of throughout the whole table rather than just this little piece. So that is kind of my plan for this next year, but I don't have that yet because at the end of the year they put everything on sale, so I'm going to wait. And then just a little reindeer and also a sparkly tree. Here is what the fireplace mantle looks like. And as you come forward, first in this vase here, this red pick here is actually from Dollar Tree. I was so surprised to find these, and they are actually really large, as you can tell, and they fit perfect in this kind of type of vase. And then in the back, these cottons actually have snow on them. And those I believe I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And then as you come up, I just leave that letter R kind of year round, and that's from Hobby Lobby. And then I got this sparkly reindeer, and that's from Walmart. And my garland, I believe, is from Big Lots last year. And then I just have, for like my holding my stockings here, I just got these ones from Walmart, and I think Harley actually has the same ones. And then I just have one of these little ones here. So I just put that in the middle for my dog stocking. And then just the same one there. And I stuck with kind of like the red theme for the stockings this year. And then to kind of incorporate the red theme up on the top there, I put a Merry Christmas little sign, and that wreath there is from Big Lots. And over on this side, I just have a candle holder with an LED candle and a, I don't know, snowy Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby. All right, and this is what the Christmas tree looks like this year. I really like how the lights twinkle. It is a pre-lit tree, but I actually strung it with just a few different lights, and it has a different mode on the lights that you can kind of choose. And so there's like fast twinkle, and this is just kind of like a medium twinkle. And I just love how that looks, especially at nighttime. And my tree skirt is from Walmart last year. I really like it, but it gets sparkles everywhere. And then I went with the silver and gold theme for my tree. So I just alternated some different bulbs on there. And then I also did some icicles as well. And then the star on top of the tree is from Walmart. And now here is an overview of our stairs. I ended up stringing some garland from the stairs, and these are actually from Walmart. They're pretty inexpensive, I think $12, and I was able to do the whole stairs with 2 of them. And on the top of the stairs there, to kind of hide cords and everything, I just put a little snowman. As we walk this way, this little table I always like to decorate for different seasons and stuff. And so in my galvanized little planters, I just put some picks, and I believe those are from Hobby Lobby last year. And then I have a Christmas village, and I'll kind of go through this quick with you guys, but some of these are all pretty much hand-me-downs from my mom or my husband's mom, and so it's kind of been in our family for quite some time. And so we have like a boat and bait shop, and actually I got that from Goodwill, so always check your Goodwills. And then there's a candle shop, some houses, blacksmith shop, and then this last one here is a barn. So I just love creating a little village every year. And then on the bottom I just have a letter R, and then also this little centerpiece that I got from Walmart last year. And as you come this way, the sign says True Love Was Born in a Stable, and that is from Hobby Lobby. And then I just keep a winter wreath here. And it just has a little bit of snow on it too, which is really cute. Now we're going to head into my half bath. All right, and as you guys walk forward here, I've kept it pretty simple. I just did my shelf here and I put a silver tree, and then these picks are from Hobby Lobby. And then I just put some window clings right here and just some snowflakes. And then I added the winter scent for my hand soap, and then just this wallflower. And then I got these from TJ Maxx, and they're really pretty. They just have like a little bit of sparkle. And over in the corner, I just kind of kept my normal decor there, so just some cottons. Now we'll walk back out and head into the dining room area. On the table, I had this from last year, and it just has some different snowflakes and pretty neutral. And I just created this quick, and I can do a video on this if you guys would want to see it and just kind of show you how I created it. I also had the same exact box for fall time, but I can show you guys how I created this one and what I used in it if you're interested. And as you come over here, I like to hang cards there that we get at Christmas time. And then I have my Days Until Christmas little snowman from Walmart. And on the bottom there I have a gold tree and the present. And I believe the present is from Hobby Lobby. As you come up, I kept it pretty simple. Just have this Mr. and Mrs. Claus, and this is actually from my grandma, so I always like to put that up every year. And just another gold wreath here. All right, so here is the kitchen. I'm super excited about it this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk through with you guys and kind of show you. But my one favorite part is the garland that I put above the cabinets there. It really just adds a little bit of Christmassy feel to it, and I just love the look of it. And on my island, I kept my same tray, just decorated it for this season. So I just added some sparkly pine cones here and a Merry and Bright sign. And then this is the same ones that I put in the entryway from Walmart. I just love the way those look, so definitely check out your guys' Walmart. I think I only paid $3 and it came in a big bundle. And then we'll walk over this way. And in the corner, I have this Merry Christmas trimming the tree with happy hearts. That's the way our holiday starts. And this is from Walmart last year. And then just a gold tree. Now I shared this on our Instagram, so make sure you guys are following us there, but this little dish towel set is from Walmart, and I think it was only like $3. And then if you guys have not checked out our video for this, I will link it up above here, but this is just a DIY coffee and hot chocolate bar, so make sure you guys definitely check that out. But I love the way that turned out, and I've had quite a few hot chocolates.
Alright guys, and that is everything. We hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we do have a couple more holiday videos coming soon. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!